Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I wanted to give you an update on Twitter because I have been getting a lot of questions about it in our room. So here's what I've got for you here on Twitter. I've got a cluster of support for you here coming in at 44.78 to 45.06. Looks like we have bounced. I am assuming that we have triggered. Let's see real quick. This is a 30-minute chart, which is good for a swing trade. No, we have not triggered on a 30. Let's check it out on a 15-minute chart and see if we have triggered. And yes, we have on a 15-minute chart. But what I want you to be aware of, please, is the fact that we are up against some resistance, 49.34 to 49.65. So if you are bearish Twitter, you could use that as your zone of risk. If you are bullish Twitter, you're going to have a lot of zones of risk on the way down, because I did go back and look at this entire swing here. Okay, I looked at that entire swing as far as symmetry, and I looked at that entire swing as far as retracements. So you're going to have a lot of zones of support here, and you're just going to have to figure out which one of them you want to use as your risk. We have triggered on this 44.78 to 45.06. However, we're up against resistance. So you could use one of these retracements. Of course, I get that from taking that low to that high. You could use the 50%, the 618, or the 786 if that's part of your trading plan as a point of risk. And if you are bearish Twitter and you want to use this zone of risk, your target is on the downside is going to be 44.07 and 42.69. You can see those green targets within these setup clusters here. But of course, you are going to want to be careful when you get into those clusters for support if you are bearish. But if you are bullish and you would like to use this zone of support here, your target is going to be 59.09, but we have not cleared this resistance yet. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Please be sure to come and join us in the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. Thank you. Bye-bye.